Right guys, well there we go. Busy day for Glenn, Reese, the team. Thank you very much. We now have a set of functional doors. A few little bits to finish off tomorrow, but I'm generally happy with that. They open nice and wide so we can easily get a 3 Series or any BMW in there. Still got to finish up around the top, which that'll be dealt with tomorrow, but nice flush fit. Obviously need to sort the metal cladding out. That's going to be tomorrow, and the gutter back on. But all good. Happy with that. Nice and strong. They open outwards. Nice amount of space. And it's just so much better when they're open. You just get so much light in here. Be nice tomorrow. The sun's going to come out tomorrow, so see how much light we really do get in. It's been a nasty day today, but it's another step further. That's the main thing. Nice quality of wood. Don't know whether to actually paint them grey or use a stain and just keep that that wood effect, but that's a nice strong frame. Very nice. Good job, boys, good job. Happy with that. Happy with it. Can't beat a bit of wood. So there we go, guys. Another step forward. And Tom threw the whiteboard up yesterday. Goes quite well on this wall. Projects, that'll be Tom. Jobs, that'll be me. New content, the pair of us. Actually took the liberty of cleaning the fridge out and turning it on yesterday. And it's cleaned up all right and nice and cool. So that's a win-win. There we go, guys. More progress. We like progress. We like keep moving forward. So doors hopefully done tomorrow. Gap fixed. Bolts going on. So it's 100% secure. Probably going to have about 3 padlocks on it. Then back wall. Don't know if me and Tom are sorting that out. Everything to the back. Brush, paint the floor, and then we're seriously getting somewhere. Should think by Wednesday. I think I might have a bit of a valet on Wednesday. Don't know whether to risk driving in on the ramp. It does seem solid. Might just leave it for a couple of days just to be sure. Seems to have gone off quite nicely. So there we go, guys. Progress. Doors on. That's what we like. Remember, like and subscribe. Keep following the journey. Take it easy.